Subscribe to BILBO YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get latest technology videos from BILBO. So hello guys, welcome to another episode of BILBO Tech. Hope you guys are well. In this video we are going to see about the leaked specifications about OnePlus Nord N10 5G. Without any further time, let's get started. OnePlus Nord N10 5G and Nord N100 specifications have surfaced online ahead of their official launch. Both new OnePlus Nord series phones are likely to revive the 3.5mm headphone jack that the company did following the launch of OnePlus 60 back in October 2018. The leaked specification also hint at the presence of quad rear camera setup on the OnePlus Nord N10 5G, while the OnePlus Nord N100 is expected to come with triple rear cameras. OnePlus has not provided any details about the launch of the OnePlus Nord N10 5G and Nord N100, though both phones are rumored to arrive as early as Monday, October 26. Tipster Steve Halle's on leaks, who recently suggested the October 26 launch date, has now leaked the OnePlus Nord N10 5G and OnePlus Nord N100 specifications. Both new OnePlus phones are likely to retain the value for money of the original OnePlus Nord that debuted in India and Europe in July. Let's see about the OnePlus Nord N10 5G expected or leaked specifications. In the terms of specifications, the tipster claims that the OnePlus Nord N10 5G will feature a 6.49-inch Full HD Plus display with a 90Hz refresh rate and will include an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 690 5G. The phone is also said to have a 6GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage. Further, it would come with the quad rear camera setup featuring a 64MP primary sensor, an 8MP ultrawide shooter and a 2MP sensor. The OnePlus Nord N10 5G will also include a 4300 mAh battery according to the tipster. The phone is also said to include a USB Type-C port as well as the headphone jack. And the next is OnePlus Nord N100 specifications. Steve has also posted the specifications of the OnePlus Nord N100. The phone is said to have a 6.52-inch HD Plus LCD panel and octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 460 paired with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. Further, the Nord N100 is rumored to include the triple rear camera setup along with a 13MP primary sensor and 2MP macro sensor and a 2MP depth shooter. For selfies, the phone would offer an 8MP selfie camera sensor at the front. The OnePlus Nord N100 is also tipped to have a 5000 mAh battery, 4G connectivity along with the dual SIM support and a USB Type-C port. Furthermore, it is said to have a 3.5mm headphone jack, just like the OnePlus Nord N10 5G. OnePlus initially removed the 3.5mm headphone jack from its phone with the launch of OnePlus 60 in 2018. CEO Pete at the time said the removal of headphone jack allows for in-display fingerprint technology as well as the larger battery size. However, the rumor about its revival suggests the company may want to target the young masses who don't want to spend extra on wireless headphones or USB Type-C adapters. There are not any official details for the OnePlus Nord N10 5G and Nord N100. And guys, what's your expectations about the price of these mobiles? Let me know in the comment section. So guys, we came to the end of this video. Hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, click on the thumbs up button and share your valuable comments in comment section. And then don't forget to subscribe BILBO and click on the bell icon to get instant notifications from BILBO. Thanks for watching. Cheers!